Nature, my friend, you are my everything. My life, my food, my drinks, the air I breathe. You shower me with gifts. You are an architect. You give, we take. You give, and we take until there's nothing left for you to give us. And humans will never give back. We will only take until you are nothing. My brothers have destroyed everything that I enjoyed to observe. They destroyed my safe place where I watch your beautiful designs. The trees, the animals, the life, the ecosystem. But you've cursed us with intelligence, and there's a price to pay for it. Everything you've created will be decimated and turned into a desolate, barren wasteland. Your greatest creation is your end. And until that time, farewell, my friend. Nature this, nature that. Nature is nothing. Nature is the resources, the bitch queen, and does nothing but serve us. And I am the mad king that does nothing but use her. For what she is nothing but a slave. To fit my needs and wants. To stack my bills. Her wood creates my buildings, fuels my fire. Her animals feed my people. All other life is below us. Why should I care who lives and dies? It's not my problem. In the end, nature will reclaim all, whether it be through natural disaster, global warming, or the eventual death of our sun. Enjoy life while you have it. Enjoy nature while you can observe it. Take in the beauty of our forests, our mountains, our skies, our rivers, our oceans. Because we don't have long before the end.